Hi, so I have this particular PDF file. It's 2499 pages, and I want to extract all the figures. Like, you can see it says figure 3.1.2. What this figure is about? It says definition of front, side, and rear of a plot. I have this figure 3.1.3. It says restrictions for corner plots. So in this particular PDF file, there are almost 300 plus figures, and I want to extract all the metadata, like, in which page that particular figure is, what's the section number, like 3.1.2, 3.1.3, so on, and what's this particular figure is about, so that I can easily find my relevant particular figures. Okay, so let me show you the demo. And this PDF is almost 2500 pages long, so it's tiresome to go through each of those pages, right? So let me show you the demo. So if I just run this particular code, and it will says number of pages 2499, and then it will extract all the figures. So you can see, if I just go into 2443, then I should find this friction loss in fairly rough pipe. So what's the page number? 2443. So let's go to this 2443, and you can see this one, friction loss in fairly rough pipe, and then friction loss in a rough pipe, right? So if you look into this, there are two particular figure in that particular page. Again, we have two figure in 2444, and there are around 370 different figures, okay, in that particular PDF file. So you can see now, if you want to find a specific figure, you can just search for that particular header for that particular figure, and then you can just easily go to that particular figure. And that's it. If you want to extract meaningful data from PDF files, send me a message. Have a good day.